What's up, my beautiful people? If you're just joining, welcome. If you already a subscriber, welcome back. And as you can see, I'm so happy. I am happy. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the love. Thanks for everything. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. In today's video, we are about to do this cute little hairstyle. Yes, cute, easy to do, just a cute hairstyle. So what I am doing, as you know, in one of my videos, I already do the crochet metal. I'm using my black gel. As you all know, I love my black gel. And what I am doing now, I am just going to use a little elastic band to catch up my hair all over in section that I really want it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share with a friend who wants to do their own hair. Don't forget to share it with everybody in your family. And remember, please remember to turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified whenever your girl Patrice drop cute videos. So turn on that notification bell now. Now, don't forget. Turn it on. Oh guys, I really appreciate you guys so much. Like every day I just keep looking and I say, oh my god, I'm so happy I started this YouTube channel because I got support, and I didn't know little girl like me could I get support. Thank you guys so much again. Back to the hairstyle. So now what we're doing, I don't do it tight because I'm doing the crochet metal. So I don't do it tight, I do it as slack as possible, and I didn't want my hair to irritate me. I didn't want it tight at all. So now I'm using this hair. Yes, you see one piece in it because I have a lot of that hair leave over all over the place. So I will be using that with that. Yeah. So I use the hair. I twist it so you can hold in the crochet needle. I put it through the crochet needle. Close it and I put it through. And now all we do is plait it. And I think I do 4 for you guys, and then when we reach to the end, like where I should pitch in and talk, I pitch in and talk. But go and enjoy the video. Go and enjoy the video. Go and look out for your hairstyle them. Oh my god. So you want to plait the hair not as tight, just plait it to suit yourself. And then what I do, I hold up the hair to make sure it could catch up in one, because why we want to make sure it can catch up in one, because we're going to catch up the hair in the end. And then I use an elastic band and I hold it to where I stop the braid. And I did that throughout the whole head. I did 4 for you guys so you guys could see what I'm doing, and yeah, you won't miss a beat. Yeah. And if you don't understand what I am explaining, please to watch the video and understand better, because sometimes I think I'm not a good person at explaining, but I try my best. Yeah, you're gonna try your best. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can support me, because I would love a little support and I really appreciate you guys so much. So now guys, this is the fun part. You just want to get you can get rod, you can get anything, but I use this flexible rod and I just wrap the hair around to get it curly, and I did it individual. Why? Because it's me doing it myself. I don't want to burn myself, so I do it individual, so I can dip it in whatever I'm using one by one, dry it, and I'm don't burn myself. But if you have somebody that can hot water it for you, you can do it 2 by 2 and have them hot water it for you. Okay, after I went ahead and I hot watered the hair, guys, I could hot water it on camera. As you know, you guys don't want to burn ourselves. So all I did, I just went ahead and hot watered the hair. I didn't leave it dry with the thing in it, with the rod in it. Why I didn't leave it hot with dry with the rod in it? Because I was going to my bed and I didn't want to go to my bed with the rods. So yeah, because this was always at night, you know. So I cut up the hair and I put something over it and I went to my bed. This is how I went to sleep. And this is when I woke up back in the morning. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to fluffy out the curls. You see the curls is well dry and nice now. So I just fluffy out the curls. Just take your time and fluffy out the curls and get them as fluffy as how you would want it. So now this is me cutting down the hair. A bit of advice, guys. When you're cutting, tweeze and cut. I don't know what I was thinking. But it still come out nice though. I should have teased and cut. And I just cut it down to my liking. And I fluff it out as well. And then all I did was just fluff it out to my liking. This hairstyle is so easy to wear. I'm wearing it now and it's been 1 week and I'm still wearing it. So now I'm doing my baby hair, my little scoop. Leave a comment of what you think about the hairstyle. Leave a comment and let me know what you want to see on the channel. And yeah, but I have a lot of plans for my channel. I have a lot of plans. I have a lot of things to come out. I have a lot of things doing. Like, you guys going to get video. That's not an if or above. You guys going to get video because I love doing it. I like to see my subscriber grow. I like to see my people comment and say, wow, it's so nice, thank you so much, Patrice. And I like, okay. So now I'm putting in some hair jewelry, because you know your hair just sell off when they have a couple of hair jewelry in it. You see, it changed the whole look. And this is the hairstyle, guys. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the subscribe. Thank you, guys. One love. Mwah!